Imagine a world without plants. No towering trees, no fresh flowers, no grass beneath your feet. Every single plant, gone. What would happen to Earth? And to us? In this video, we're diving into the chilling reality of a planet stripped of its green life, examining the devastating consequences in our struggle for survival. Buckle up because the world you know is about to disappear. First, let's talk about air. Right now, plants play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Through photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, something humans and animals depend on with every breath. But what if every plant vanished overnight? Without plants, oxygen levels would start dropping drastically. We currently breathe in about 21% oxygen, but over time that level would fall. Scientists estimate that within a few decades, oxygen could drop low enough to make breathing difficult, or even impossible in certain areas. This alone would send humanity into panic. Imagine having to wear oxygen masks just to go outside, if there was even anywhere to go. But breathable air isn't our only problem. Plants are the backbone of our food chain. From rice paddies to apple orchards, plants provide the essential nutrition for both humans and the animals we eat. Without plants, entire ecosystems collapse, leading to worldwide food shortages. Crops like wheat, corn, and vegetables would no longer exist. Our livestock, from cows to chickens, would also run out of their primary food sources. A food chain without plants is like a house with no foundation. It simply can't stand. Within weeks, we'd see food prices skyrocket, and it wouldn't take long before entire nations face famine on an unprecedented scale. Without plants, the animal kingdom would face a grim fate as well. Herbivores like deer, rabbits, and elephants would be the first to suffer, deprived of their natural food sources. Without prey, predators like wolves and big cats would also begin to disappear. This mass extinction wouldn't just stop with large animals. Insects and birds dependent on plants for food and shelter would also vanish. Biodiversity, the very tapestry of life, would unravel thread by thread, taking with it thousands, if not millions, of species. So where does that leave us? With the collapse of biodiversity, humans would find themselves in survival mode. Civilization as we know it would be forced to adapt, relying on artificial foods and oxygen supplies, if we could even create enough. Only the wealthiest could afford such luxuries, leaving the majority to face starvation, malnutrition, and oxygen scarcity. The psychological toll would be immense. In a world without greenery, mental health issues would surge as people struggle to cope with the barren landscapes and lack of hope. And there's one final, catastrophic consequence. Plants play a critical role in climate regulation. Forests absorb vast amounts of carbon, stabilizing our atmosphere. Without them, greenhouse gases would skyrocket, leading to an acceleration of global warming beyond anything we've ever experienced. Deserts would expand, storms would intensify, and sea levels would rise. Our cities, homes, and coastlines would be battered by an unpredictable climate, one that only grows more hostile without plants to moderate it. So, could humanity ever recover from such a nightmare? While it's tempting to think we could replant forests or turn to artificial substitutes, the truth is that ecosystems and plants develop over thousands, sometimes millions of years. Regenerating them on such a global scale would be beyond our reach. Even with advancements in lab-grown foods and artificial oxygen production, life as we know it would be gone. The Earth would never be the same. A world without plants is a world without life. It's a chilling reminder of the delicate balance we depend on. It's easy to forget how essential nature is, until it's gone. Want to explore more what-if scenarios? Check out our next video, What If All Water on Earth Suddenly Vanished? You'll be amazed at how vital every drop truly is.